Hello. I wanted to take a moment to thank Seth and UBot Studio for perhaps creating the most powerful software development package on the internet market today. You know, it's interesting, I've been doing internet marketing for some time, and there's a lot of tasks that I have to do that are mundane, kind of time consuming, repetitive, and I've outsourced quite a bit of that. But even in the outsourcing area, you still have to contact people, make sure they understand what your processes and procedures are, get them the right information, then they'll actually go and create the product for you. And once that's done, you still have to test it and go back and forth. I was actually kind of searching because I have a lot of automated tasks I need to take care of. And this is for search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and a lot of other automated tasks that most of my clients need me to do for them. I basically charge them a monthly fee. They pay me very well, and I take care of all their internet marketing needs. And so when I was searching out, I came across UBot Studio, took a look at it, and I'll have to be honest, at first I was a bit hesitant because I'm not a programmer by nature. I understand technology, I understand that if I want one or two or three things to work, I can put them together and basically get a solution working. However, I'm nowhere near a person that can code anything at all. In fact, if I tried to code, I may be able to get the thing to pop up and say, JavaScript hello, and that's probably going to be the extent of it. But when I found UBot Studio, I was pretty much blown away because what the promise of UBot Studio was to me is that they have a platform, a package where you're basically pointing and clicking to creating what you want. And of course, I was a little taken back and a little hesitant at first because I looked at everything they offered and I thought, wow, if they're offering this much and this one package for this small price, it's either A, really complicated, or B, it probably doesn't work at all. So after some time and consideration, I kept going back to their pages and looking at it, and I thought, you know what? Why not? Let me make the leap. Let me try this out and see really if it is what it's all cracked up to be. And I can tell you this much, I'm extremely glad I did. You see, for most of us that are, whether you're in internet marketing or you're in website design, or maybe you're doing some programming, we're always getting hammered with emails from other people saying, hey, you need to be able to maybe do auto blogging or be able to generate traffic for a customer. You need to be able to do spin articles and all these different things. And every one of these programs is a program that has a cost to it, whether it's $49, whether it's $99, and every week we're constantly getting emailed with these. Now, if you've been doing internet marketing for a while or just new and getting into it, what you'll find out is most clients need a different range of solutions. So it's not really going to be one product that solves everything. So if you were to actually buy everything you need for your toolkit to do internet marketing and to really generate a good living, you're going to spend quite a bit of money because you're going to be buying all these products at basically a retail price. What I found with UBot Studio is basically UBot Studio is the mothership of the development. And so basically they take actually the development word out of it to where it's point, click, drag and drop. So instead of having to go out and maybe if I want to auto traffic generation software, or if I want to auto blogging software, or if I wanted some SEO optimization software, I can go to all these different companies and buy those, but not anymore. Now with UBot Studio, I basically take it, figure out exactly what I want, put my little game plan together, like you can see back here on my whiteboard. It's basically what's the flow for the marketing aspect that I'm going to do next. Open up UBot Studio, drag and drop each little piece that I want. I mean, it's basically point and click. It's so simple. Grab, drop, all the way down. Once I have that thing run a little test, it runs, hit save, compile, and it's done. And the great thing about it is once you compile it, and again, I don't even know what I'm talking about, honestly, as far as compiling. I mean, I know it's code and you put code into a thing and then something magical happens and boom, you've got this piece of software. All I know is I click a button that says compile, it does that for me, and then in a couple seconds, poof, it spits out the little program. And that little program runs over and over and over and over and over again. I mean, I can run it on my computer, I can run it on other people's computers, and the really cool thing is you can also sell these. So you can create these and sell them. So basically, this UBot Studio is giving me two different streams of income. The first one is I can automate tasks for all of my internet marketing clients. And then number two, when I find that there's a big need for one particular area, say someone needs one particular piece done because they found in internet marketing, you have to do X, Y, and Z repetitively, I can actually create this in UBot, and then I can turn around and sell the program. So I'm actually basically, I have the, I guess how would you say it, I have the grand luxor of being a programmer without any clue on how to actually program. Again, it's so simple. It's the greatest thing ever. You simply drag and drop all the little pieces that you want to happen. Presto, it happens. So again, I wanted to say thank you for Seth. I kind of wish I would have jumped on it a little bit earlier. I told Seth, I said, hey, you know, I kind of looked at your website for a couple of months and I really didn't purchase it because every time I looked at it, again, I was just so enamored with all the features and functionality that it could do. And that 3 months, I probably lost some time, lost some money. And if I would have jumped in sooner rather than later, I would have, number one, learned it much faster. And number two, had all these automation processes in place. And again, it's so simple, it's so easy. I think everyone should get it because at the end of the day, how many of these other people's programs do we want to buy? Sure, it's great, but if we can make our own and it takes 15 minutes, which is basically the time it takes you to pull out your credit card and go buy someone else's program, you could have your own. In fact, you know, they probably ought to change the name from UBot Studio to UBot Factory because that's what you've got. You've got an actual factory that just spits these little programs out. Again, if you're looking for basically the best automation software out there to either A, maybe you're spending too much time on the computer, you want to set these automated tasks up and go enjoy life, that's fine. Or maybe you want to set these tasks up so you can pick up the phone and talk to more clients and generate more money. You have that flexibility and also the two streams of income. A, you've got something that you can sell to other people by creating your own products, or B, be able to have more time to create more automated tasks that run automatically so you can collect a check and get paid from your customers. At the same time, you're fulfilling and providing them a great product and service. Once again, I just want to thank UBot Studio for creating this package, and I look forward to a great long-term successful relationship with you guys. Take care.